Hey guys, welcome back to Juvies Academy. In this video, we are going to see how to integrate Razorpay into our e-commerce website that we were building, right? So in our last video, what we have seen how to integrate Stripe account. And why do we integrate Stripe account? Because that allows us to accept payments through credit card, right? So similarly, if you are in India, then there is a very popular company called as Razorpay through which you can accept payments from your website, basically e-commerce website, right? So even in India, as of now, as of 2022, this Razorpay is extremely popular company and it has grown really well. And I guess it's a unicorn billion-dollar company as well. So yeah, this is a very popular and reliable company over here in India. So if you're operating business in India, then you can go ahead and integrate this Razorpay and start collecting payments. They have various products like they even you can charge subscriptions, you can create payment links, payment pages, payment buttons, and obviously for WooCommerce as well, they have given integration plugins as well. So let's go back to our the first thing is, the first and foremost thing is, if you see our last video, what I had said, before we start integrating Stripe account, we will need two details, either username password or Stripe API details, right? So similarly, we will need here, I guess we will need not just login username and password, but also we need Stripe API details. So you should either ask your client to provide it if you're developing it on behalf of your client, or else then you need to ask them their username and password so that you can log in and download the Razorpay API keys and then integrate it for them, right? So yeah, you will need these two things again. So in the sense, for Razorpay, you will need API details. So how to get it? Either you ask your client to share this API details, or you get their login username and password and get the API details. I'll show you how to get the API details in a while, but for now, this is the website. Before, in case if you don't have Razorpay account, then what you just need to do, just visit razorpay.com and you have this button called as sign up, and you'll be redirected to a form where you need to fill up all the details, like you need to add business details and all these things. You need to create an account. Basically, as soon as you create an account, a test account will be created, and then you need to provide business details and business documents and all those things. Same process will be there as we did for Stripe, right? The same process, absolutely same process, right? So you just need to, as soon as you create an account, a test account will be created, and then you enter business details, provide business documents, and then in 1 or 2 days they will activate your account fully. Once the account is activated, you log in and get the API details so that you can go ahead and integrate it to your WooCommerce store, right? So this is it. So now this was for Stripe and this was for Razorpay. No matter what payment gateways you prefer, you need to follow this step. First is you need to create an account in your payment gateway, and then you need to get the API details, right? Same thing we did for Stripe as well. All right, so I'll not create an account here. I already have an account, so I'll enable a test mode. So yeah, so this is my account, and I have enabled this test mode. Here you can switch to test mode and live mode. Live mode in the sense real money, real transaction, and all those things. For test mode in the sense for integration purpose, we can do that. For this video purpose, I have enabled a test mode. So yeah, for you, when you are doing it for your client, try to make it live mode, right? You need to get API details from live mode, not from test mode. Only if you integrate a live API details, then transaction will happen in real time, right? So for this video demonstration purpose, this is test mode. I have enabled test mode, and now once you log in, this will be your dashboard, something similar to this. And then what you need to do on the left side, you need to scroll down here and go to settings. And in settings, you have these tabs: configuration, webhook, API keys, reminders, and applications. Under API keys, you need to click on this, right? And as you can see here, you are in test mode only, so test data is shown. Switch to live mode to see real transaction data. I don't want to do that in this for this video purpose, but yeah, for if when you are integrating it for your client, then make sure that you make sure that it is a live mode and you get the live API keys, right? So I'll generate a test key as of now. I'll simply download it. Okay, so test keys are downloaded now. All right, so now let me go back to my website. Once this API keys are ready, so what we did, we created an account. Just assume that we have created an account and we have got the API details. Once these prerequisites are done, what you need to do, just go back to your dashboard and under plugins, click on add new, and here search for Razorpay, and you will find this first plugin, Razorpay for WooCommerce by Team Razorpay. So this is the official payment plugin, right? So now what you need to do, click on install now. Perfect. As soon as you install it, click on activate. Now what you need to do, you simply scroll down here and Razorpay for WooCommerce and simply click on settings. As soon as you click on settings, it will take you to the WooCommerce payment settings. See, under settings, under payment, let's scroll down here. Yeah, so allow payment by credit card, net banking, UPI, and mobile wallets. Yes, enable this module. Credit card, net banking, title, description, you can leave it as it is, or you can go ahead and customize it as well. And then I just prefer to leave it as it is so that it looks more official. And key ID and key secret, these are the two fields that we need. And just now we have downloaded something, right? API details. Key ID, we have downloaded it, so simply copy this and paste it on inside this key ID. And key secret, we have also downloaded it, so paste the key secret, right? As soon as you do this, just leave this settings as it is. You don't have to worry about these things. And this is order confirmation message. Thank you for shopping with us, your account has been charged and now your transaction has been, we'll process your order soon, right? All these things are default text. You can change this text as based on your preference. And then what you need to do now, simply click on let me just wait a minute. All right, let's say click on save. We used to have an option to change live mode and test mode. Anyways, yeah, they have just mentioned use test or live. Okay, perfect. So we have added key and secret data as well, right? So now it's as simple as that. That's it. So now if you go back to our module over here, and if I come to my checkout page and I simply refresh it, I'll get one more option to check out with Razorpay as well. See, cash on delivery, credit card, debit card, net banking for Indian customers. For international customers, I can charge from Stripe. Similarly, you can go ahead and add PayPal. Same way, the process will be exactly same. Again, you need to create an account, and if you have an account, just get the API details, and API details you will have key ID and secret. So as soon as you get those, you just need to install a plugin and add those details. Same way we added Stripe, same way whatever payment gateway you will come across in future, you just need to follow the same process. You just need to make sure whether the payment gateway has a WooCommerce plugin or not. As soon as you know that there is a WooCommerce plugin, install the plugin. As soon as you install the plugin, you will understand that what are the details the plugin is asking. As soon as you know what are the details the plugin is asking, ask the support team of that particular payment gateway to provide those details. At least they will tell you where to find those details. As soon as you copy and paste it over here, then your integration is completed. It's as simple as that, right? So I hope you have understood now. In this course, I have given example of two payment gateways, but you can go ahead and try to add multiple payment gateways. Yeah. So anyways, so this is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. And this is, I think we have completed pretty much all the concepts in WooCommerce by now. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section or Q&A section, right? So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.